Okay, I know this is not my usual content. There is no 0.75 millimeter hook involved, but today we are crocheting with batter. These are my super cheap, ridiculously easy heart-shaped crepes, and they are a full family favorite, by which I mean they disappear before I get one, every time. This recipe is aggressively simple. It's from my old Betty Crocker binder, see description, and yes, we've tested a lot of different recipes.
Add wet ingredients, add dry ingredients, whisk until smooth, or mostly smooth. We are not emotionally available for perfection. Heat a nonstick pan, lightly oil it.
Use a heart-shaped cookie cutter, or free pour and embrace the chaos. Will it be symmetrical? No. Will it still be adorable? Yes. Cook about 60 seconds, flip, and cook briefly on the other side. Top with powdered sugar, berries, whipped cream, or Nutella.
Pro tip, microwave Nutella with a splash of milk for 20 seconds at a time for an easy syrup. This isn't gourmet, it isn't Pinterest perfect, but it's quick, it's cheap, and it makes everyone feel special. And honestly, that's the whole point. Happy Valentine's Day!